The shocking 250% brightness increase of Betelgeuse has left many astronomers and space enthusiasts in awe. Betelgeuse, the star that sits on the shoulder of Orion's mighty warrior, has been showing some very unusual activity. This star has sparked excitement across the scientific community due to its sudden increase in brightness, a phenomenon that has never been witnessed before on such a scale. Some experts are even speculating that this might signal the approaching end of Betelgeuse's life cycle, possibly leading to a supernova. However, the exact timing of this event remains unclear. Scientists believe it could occur soon, but no one knows exactly when. Despite the uncertainty surrounding its future, the behavior of Betelgeuse has given scientists a rare opportunity to observe the rapid changes in a star as it nears the end of its life. The star's luminosity changes are far from typical. Betelgeuse is massive. If it were placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would stretch far beyond the orbit of Mars. This makes it one of the most visible stars in the sky, especially in the Orion constellation. For those who haven't heard of Betelgeuse by name, it is impossible not to have seen its stunning red glow. It is truly one of the most remarkable sights in the night sky. Betelgeuse is located relatively close to Earth, at around 650 light-years away, which makes it an ideal subject for astronomers. It is a supergiant star, and like many stars of its kind, it fluctuates in brightness. This behavior is characteristic of semiregular variable stars, which tend to vary in brightness over time, particularly as they approach their final stages. The excitement around Betelgeuse increased significantly between 2019 and 2020 when the star experienced an unprecedented dimming event. During this time, Betelgeuse, the closest red supergiant star to Earth, dramatically reduced its brightness and then suddenly recovered. This event was followed by a subsequent surge in brightness, which caught the attention of astronomers worldwide. In May 2023, Betelgeuse's brightness increased by a staggering 142%, as reported by the BetelBot's Twitter account. These changes have positioned Betelgeuse as the seventh brightest star in the night sky, a significant leap from its usual spot at the 10th position. In the southern hemisphere, Betelgeuse is now clearly visible at dusk, and as nights grow longer, it is becoming more prominent in the northern hemisphere too. This extraordinary luminosity fluctuation has granted scientists an exceptional opportunity to observe the final stages of a massive star's life in detail. Researchers are closely monitoring Betelgeuse's changes, as it provides valuable insights into the behaviors of red giants just before they go supernova. As Betelgeuse approaches its final chapter, speculation has risen that the star could become so luminous that it might shine during the day, potentially casting shadows at night. This phenomenon is of great interest to both professional and amateur astronomers, who are eager to witness what could be a once-in-a-lifetime event. Eventually, Betelgeuse will end its life in a supernova explosion. From our vantage point on Earth, we will have the rare opportunity to witness this remarkable cosmic event in real time, a sight that will be both stunning and significant for our understanding of stellar evolution. Betelgeuse's changing brightness is not a new phenomenon. Astronomers have been tracking the star for centuries. The star has been known to experience cycles of increased brightness followed by dimming. These brightness variations were even observed by ancient cultures, such as the Australian Aboriginals and Greek astronomers. The cycle typically lasts about 400 days, but since 2019, Betelgeuse has been fluctuating much faster, with variations occurring every 130 days. What is driving this change? According to Andrea Dupree, an astrophysicist at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, the accelerated fluctuations may have started after Betelgeuse expelled a significant portion of its outer atmosphere. This event marked a dramatic shift in the star's behavior, raising questions about whether it could signal the imminent collapse of the star into a supernova. Despite these peculiar fluctuations, Betelgeuse still has several more stages to go through before it meets its end. As a red giant, Betelgeuse undergoes a series of fusion processes that involve elements like helium, carbon, oxygen, silicon, and iron. The immense pressure at the star's core causes helium to fuse into carbon, after which the star continues to fuse heavier elements. This process leads to the creation of even heavier elements like iron and silicon, which are integral to the eventual collapse of the star. This collapse could result in a black hole or neutron star. The changes in Betelgeuse's atmosphere are significant. Recent data suggests that the star is currently in the early stages of fusing helium into carbon. This rapid evolution means that Betelgeuse's fuel is quickly running out. As it exhausts its resources, the core will contract under its own gravity, eventually triggering a supernova explosion so powerful that it could outshine entire galaxies for a short time. Although a supernova is certain, the exact timing remains unclear. There are many factors that could affect when Betelgeuse will explode. According to Peter Brewer, an astronomy professor at the University of Portsmouth, the unpredictability of when stars explode is a central challenge in stellar research. As of now, we have no reliable way of predicting exactly when a star will explode. The situation is further complicated by the fact that very few supernovae have been observed in sufficient detail throughout history. Even though there is no certainty, the potential explosion of Betelgeuse is still a topic of great speculation. Some astronomers believe it could happen in the next few decades, while others think it may take centuries before the star reaches the critical point. Regardless of the timing, when Betelgeuse does explode, it will be one of the most spectacular cosmic events in recent history. The sheer energy released during a supernova is immense, and for a brief moment, Betelgeuse could outshine the rest of the galaxy, making it visible from vast distances across space. In addition to being a spectacular sight, Betelgeuse's explosion will provide invaluable opportunities for scientific study. Supernovae are extremely rare events, and when they occur, they give astronomers a chance to study the mechanics of stellar explosions up close. The study of Betelgeuse and other stars like it helps scientists understand the final stages of a star's life, and provides insights into the nucleosynthesis processes that produce the elements essential for life. The mystery of Betelgeuse has already prompted collaboration among astronomers from around the world. Using advanced telescopes and observational techniques, scientists are monitoring the star's changes in real time. These efforts are crucial for improving our understanding of stellar evolution. As Betelgeuse transitions through its final stages, scientists are carefully observing the processes that lead up to its supernova. Although we cannot yet predict exactly when Betelgeuse will explode, the ongoing observations will help refine our models of stellar life cycles. Betelgeuse's supernova will contribute significantly to our understanding of how massive stars die. The explosion will release huge amounts of energy, which will have significant impacts on the surrounding interstellar medium, enriching it with heavy elements like iron, nickel, and oxygen. These elements are crucial for the formation of new stars, planets, and other celestial bodies, making supernovae essential in the creation of life as we know it. Even after its death, Betelgeuse will continue to influence the cosmos. The materials it releases during its supernova will contribute to the formation of future generations of stars and planets. In a sense, Betelgeuse's demise will mark the beginning of new life in the universe. This process of stellar death and rebirth has shaped the evolution of the cosmos for billions of years. As we continue to study Betelgeuse, we are gaining valuable insights into the nature of stars like it. The star's unpredictable behavior provides a unique opportunity to understand the processes occurring within a red supergiant, as it nears its end stage. These observations are crucial for understanding not only Betelgeuse but also other stars that will undergo similar transformations in the future. In conclusion, Whether or not we witness Betelgeuse's supernova in our lifetime, the knowledge gained from observing its changing behavior will serve as a crucial foundation for future astronomers and astrophysicists. The lessons we learn from Betelgeuse will help unravel many of the mysteries of the universe, especially the processes that govern the death of stars and the formation of new celestial bodies. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.